In addition to running code before and after each test inside a test fixture, we can also write code that runs once before any tests execute in the test fixture, and once after all of the tests have finished executing in the test fixture. So let's have a look at this in action. So here we've got this player character tests test fixture, and we've also got a setup and teardown method here. And in our setup method, we're creating a new player character, so we get a fresh one for every test. And again, we've just got a couple of write lines here for demo purposes. And if we have a look, we've got a number of tests here, which we can also see in our test window here. So if we run all of these tests in our test fixture, they all pass. And in our output, we can see our before and after methods executing for our setup and teardown methods. So if we want to execute code before any of these tests run and after all of these tests have run, we can use a couple of additional NUnit attributes. So here, let me uncomment these out. The first of these is the test fixture setup attribute, and this will run before any of the tests are started in our test fixture. And again, I've just got this console write line here before player character tests. And similarly, we've got the test fixture teardown attribute, which will run after all of the tests have finished executing. And again, we've just got a console write line saying after player character tests. So now if I run the tests, they still all pass. And if we look in the output window and just go to the start of the test run here, notice this time we've got this before player character tests executing once, before any of the tests have actually executed. And then we get our setup and teardown methods executing as before. And then right at the end here, we get our test fixture teardown attribute executing, and we output after player character tests, which is coming from our after all tests finished method here. So that's how we can use the test fixture setup attribute and the test fixture teardown attribute from NUnit to run code before and after a test fixture.